0. Nice, my friend, nice.
Since March, our superintendent's had one goal. One, how do we get our kids back in school safely so that we can protect them and the staff within those schools?
And they needed and used every bit of that time to develop a plan. The Office of the Fresno County Superintendent of Schools oversees 32 school districts, ranging in size from 75,000 students to 50 students. Flexibility is key when working to reopen schools safely.
Every district in this county is governed by their boards. Every superintendent works with those boards, and every community is uniquely different.
You are good.
What we noticed as we journeyed through the process was that it looked very different at every school across our 34 elementary schools.
The Clovis Unified School District is the second largest in Fresno County, with 43,000 students. In October of 2020, the district started a phase-in approach to bring students back on campus for in-person learning.
So when the district provided us an opportunity to kind of make it work at each individual school site, I was dependent upon my staff and asking for their input and finding what their concerns were.
Of chief concern was adhering to the safety protocols set by the state and county health department.
The main things, of course, physical distancing, 6 feet, right, between teachers, students, and between student. The masking was required, screening of students and staff before they came on campus, regular cleaning of the school site, safe transportation for how they were going to use buses and transport the students safely. All these things had to be covered in their waiver.
We have met regularly. When I say regularly, I mean every week with our local Department of Public Health to stay very much aligned to what their guidance and their directives are.
We have screening procedures in place first thing in the morning. So parents are pre-screening their students before they arrive here. And then at the door of their classroom, the teachers are doing temperature checks. If during the class day they develop like a cough or any other illnesses that are COVID related, we do have a separate care room that they get sent to.
We actually measured out, every desk to make sure that students were 6 feet apart from each other. Some teachers had to pull out furniture to make the right adjustments.
Because they're sizable birds, remember that word?
I have 25 students total. I have 14 in the morning AM class, and then 11 come in the afternoon. They've been troopers. They wear their masks, they wash their hands. They are being very safe because they understand the pandemic.
I have never seen the kids so happy to be at school. And so I would say, for me, that made whatever we had to do worth it.
Smaller school districts like Kings Canyon Unified with 10,000 students have also been able to open safely.
We, of course, had a very supportive school board, which is very important, and we took input from our bargaining association, which is, doesn't go anywhere if your teachers aren't on board, and we came together with a plan that could return our kids safely to school. We believe that handled properly, that school is in fact the safest place for students and staff. I mean, you're monitored, you're supervised, you're masked at all times, you're taught the safety protocol. We haven't had one transmission. We've been going since October. We haven't had one single transmission at a school that is open.
Correct. We've seen a nice downslope in the last 3 weeks.
The key to success has been communication and teamwork.
The really unique thing about Fresno County is we work together really well. And it doesn't matter if it's the county office, the city of Fresno, the county public health officers. We're side by side in every decision that we make. Through all of the things that we've put in place, the contact tracing, to be able to do the surveillance testing that we've been doing throughout our counties so that we can ensure that students are safe and staff are safe on those campuses.
Reopening a school district is not easy and will cost extra dollars, but it can be done.
We are doing everything everything in our power to get our kids back in school. We are adhering to the Department of Public Health, that we are making sure that this working and learning environment is safe for our kids and for everybody involved.
Everybody who works at a school campus, we got into it because we love children. We didn't do this to stay home, to look at a computer, to talk to a box. Everybody knows the kids learn better when they're in front of a teacher. Everybody knows that. The student achievement's better, but even more than that, the social, emotional healing that's going on by bringing our children back. We just want to continue down that path as you see more and more children positively affected by that.